Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra is real. If you've been dreaming about a Galaxy Fold with no compromises, like having the same camera setup as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a built-in S Pen making it the first fold on the market to have that feature, along with Samsung's most advanced folding smartphone design, that dream might actually come true. Yes, according to Galaxy Club, we have our first look at the model number of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. It is SMF958. This is similar to the model number of the Galaxy S24 Ultra coming at SMS928, so the last number 8 is actually reserved for the Ultra models. And since we have the model number of the original Z Fold 6, SMF956, it's very logical to assume that the F958 is indeed the Ultra model with the number 8 at the end. It was further confirmed by Ice Universe on Twitter that the Fold 6 Ultra does exist, but we don't know what Samsung is going to do with this device. According to Galaxy Club, Fold 6 Ultra with the model number SMF958 is being developed for South Korea only at the moment because the model number actually ends with the letter N. N is for South Korea, so at the moment there's no existing version of this device for Europe, US, or any other market. Whether Samsung ends up releasing the Ultra Fold 6 or not, it is very exciting to finally see that Samsung is planning an Ultra Fold that could hit the market sometime in the future. Now we have some breaking news on the standard Z Fold 6 model, which is now looking to be the thinnest Galaxy Z Fold ever made. According to Ice Universe, Z Fold 6 has a thickness of 5.6mm, which is a lot improved compared to the 6.1mm of thickness of the Fold 5. And when it's folded, the thickness of the Z Fold 6 is 12.1mm, which is again down from 13.4mm thickness of the Fold 5. Not only this, the Z Fold 6 will be Samsung's lightest folding phone ever made, coming at 239 grams. It's finally reaching the weight of the standard smartphones. And finally, the much needed change, a wider outer screen, is confirmed to happen, coming at 6.3 inches with a 22:9 proportion. As for the internal screen, the display size is set to be 7.6 inches with 7:6 ratio. It seems like Samsung is addressing pretty much all the complaints that we had regarding the previous folding phones. Their thinnest, most premium, most lightweight folding design is coming with the Fold 6, along with a wider outer screen. So there we go. That's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about the Fold 6 and the Fold 6 Ultra. With that being said, I'll catch you later. Peace out.